we have already spoken about BMI, body mass index. We created his simple version, but now I would like to, if we know if else statement and conditions, so we can create an advanced body mass index evaluation. So if you go to the internet and you can see there pictures like this, so it means this: if your body mass index is under 18.5, you are underweight. Okay, if it is between 18.5 and 24.9, it's normal, and so on and so on. So I would like to create a BMI. We will take weight and height from the user. We calculate BMI, and thanks if and else statement, we can print out the result if the user is underweight, normal, overweight, obese, or extremely obese. So we can do it here. So let's go. The first thing is that we need height and weight, okay, from the user. So it will be a number. So I will put here float, for example, or integer if you want. And the input will be something like height in meters. Go something like this. And here it will be again, for example, float or integer. Input weight, and it's in kilos. Okay. So be careful that here it has to be float, right? Because the height is in meters, so like 1.86 kilograms. It can be in integer, so it could be like this. But now I will put it here, float. So after that, we will calculate body mass index, and we know from the previous videos it's like weight divided by height multiplied by height. Okay, or we spoke about it that we can write it like this. It's this is the same. So it's up to you which calculation do you use, and I will use, for example, this. And just for clarity, I will print out the BMI and check if everything is okay. So meters or height in meters, like 8.86, and weight, it can be integer, for example this, and BMI it's 24.8. So it means where are we? 24.8, so it's here, so it's normal. Okay, great. So I would like to print the user that he is in a normal stadium or normal stage. So now I would like to create if statement. Maybe I will go put it here, something like this, maybe. Okay. So now if I would like to write if BMI is less than, and I would take care about this option 18.45. So after that we will print something like, I would use the F string and print something like your BMI is, put it here, the BMI value. It means the name of the variable, this, because that is the result. And I will put it here, underweight. Okay, something like this. Great. And after that we can continue. Elif BMI is less than, and I will put it there, this option 24.9. Again print this, but the result is normal. Okay, so here if the result is less than 18.5, so this will be printed out and that's it. If it isn't, so it means we evaluate it here, and if this is true, it means that it's somewhere between 18.5 and 24.9. Okay, but now it's a question. Maybe we should put here something like this, but here is less than, not less, equal. So I would put here BMI is or body mass index is less than 18.5, and the same here. Okay, so now we will continue. Elif body mass index is less than, and now I will evaluate this option, so 29.9, and again I will print your baby is, and the result is overweight. Okay, Elif BMI, now it's this stadium, it means 39.9, 34.9. Okay, again we will print, and it's obese. And now we have the last option, so we can write if you want else, or we can write Elif as well. So now I will write else because it's the last option, but it's up to you. You can use another Elif if you want. Extremely obese. Okay, so I hope it works. So we will see. I will run it. Put it here. 1.86, for example, 95 kilos. Okay, your BMI is something like this, 27.45. It's overweight, 27. So it's here. Okay, it seems it goes well. Great. Maybe we could put here a round option, okay, and round it to 2 decimal number. Maybe you remember if you use round option or round function, so it takes this number, the result, and round it to 2 decimal number, and after that store it here and print it here. So I will run it again. 1.86, for example, weight 95. Okay, and you see we have only 2 decimal number. Your baby is 24.46 and it's overweight. Okay, great. I think it looks great. So perfect. So I suppose that it works fine. So now is or this is our result. So now you can see that if you know if statement, if, elif, else, so you can do much better application.